Hi there. I have been using this 4G security camera almost from past 1 year at home. Considering its small form factor, just thought of trying as car dashcam. This is the video to show you the result of using CCTV camera as a car dashcam. Yes, footage you are seeing now are from 4G CCTV camera TrueView brand. Before proceeding further, please note that CCTV cameras are designed optimized for static surveillance and are not designed to handle the vibrations or movements experienced in car. On the other hand, car dashcams are specifically built for dynamic use and are engineered to handle vehicle vibrations and motions effectively. So I went ahead with these known limitations. Let's get into real-time scenarios. I have inserted my Jio 4G SIM. This camera is available to view online via TrueCloud app, which is a big plus. I tried to move car slowly and video footage is also reflecting with little delay. Note that Jio 4G signal strength is good in this area. This is the footage from CCTV camera when vehicle is moving in city limits. Number plates are visible when vehicles are near. This is the same footage but from car dashcam having anti-glare glass. Overall video quality is superior here. Number plates are also clearly visible. Anyways, it is the purpose of car dashcam. Coming to the video files, CCTV recording for 1 minute is around 8 MB due to its H265 compression, whereas dashcam took 180 MB for same footage and it is H264 codec. Hope we are clear on the basic differences. This is from highway, where vehicles are moving fast and sunlight is also getting bright. Footages are appearing slightly pixelated. Again, it is due to compressed video format in CCTV cameras. However, when I paused CCTV footage to see number plate of nearby vehicles, it is found visible without any issue. We should also note that we are trying to compare compressed 10 MB CCTV file against 200 MB file from car dashcam. Further, car dashcam is having anti-glare lens, which is called CPL filter. So let's not actually take it as a comparison, but it is rather a feasibility test of CCTV camera when used as car dash camera. Parking surveillance by connecting to power bank, it is one of the good use case, but don't do it in hot weather conditions. Some low light condition shots just for your reference. Data consumption is also less as you see here. Another important point is that it works with old Jio 4G SIM but not with Jio 5G SIM. In case of Airtel, it works with new SIM as well. To answer the question if this 4G security camera is usable as car dash camera, for city drive, yes. For highway driving, it is yes for online monitoring but not exactly for travel vlogs. And number plate or text readability is limitation. When it comes to CCTV camera, that too 4G SIM based, remote monitoring is a big plus. And having TrueCloud like app is further advantageous considering cloud recording options. As you see on my laptop, TrueCloud is accessible here also. Dashcam market as on 2025 still focusing on 4K cameras, double or triple cameras, but it is all local recording on memory card. Online viewing is a big missing feature. Yes, there are few 4G dashcams as well, but expensive. So, I am of the opinion that those who are planning to buy budget dashcam for the first time, which costs close to 3K or below 3K, and if your use case is city drive, you can go with this 4G security camera instead, which adds remote monitoring as a good use case. Again, it is just my viewpoint, but I am not motivating anyone to buy any gadgets here. I am also a consumer like you and bought this camera on Amazon. That's all I had it for now. Thanks for being with me till now. Please comment your opinion on using CCTV camera as car dash camera. If you have found this video informative, you may consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.